Hello everyone, hello Miss Rina. I am Risma Hertantri. In this video, I will discuss and provide the examples of direct speech and indirect speech in the story Ande Ande Lumut. First, what are direct speech and indirect speech? Direct speech is words spoken by someone directly without any word change, while indirect speech is words spoken by someone directly with change in the words or sentence structure. The story of Ande Ande Lumut. I will use the story of Ande Ande Lumut as an example. Ande Ande Lumut is a folktale originating from Java. Prince Panji Asmarabangun as Ande Ande Lumut. This story tells of Prince Kusumayuda who met Kelenteng Kuning, the youngest of four siblings: Kelenteng Abang, Kelenteng Biru, Kelenteng Ijo, and Kelenteng Kuning. In this story, Prince Panji is the son of a widow, Mbok Rondo, who live in one of the villages ruled by Prince Kusumayuda father. Kelenteng Kuning is actually his adopted daughter, a prince from the Janggala Kingdom, who would later be known as Dewi Galuh Chandra Kirana. They secretly remember its order in his heart. Prince Kusumayuda known that this rose-studded girl is the prince candidate for Empress of the Banyu Arum Kingdom. Unfortunately, they never met again. Several years later, a handsome young man named Ande Ande Lumut announces that he is looking for a wife. Unlike other village girls, including Kelenteng Kuning's sister, Kelenteng Kuning is reluctant to vows because he still remembers Prince Kusumayuda. However, thanks to the outfits of his helper, the magical stroke, finally, Kelenteng Kuning also joined in. Yuyu Kangkang on their journey, the discover that had to cross a wide river. At that moment, a river guardian appeared in the form of a Jian Yuyu named Yuyu Kangkang. Yuyu Kangkang offered to ferry them across in exchange for a kiss from her. In a hurry, all the other village girls immediately agreed, thinking the prince would win out. Only the young Kelenteng Kuning refused to be kissed by Yuyu Kangkang. When Yuyu Kangkang attempted to aid her, Kelenteng Kuning fought him off with a weapon and thrust to her by her mother, because she was the only one who had been kissed by Yuyu Kangkang. Ande Ande Lumut caused her as her companion, Only that Kit Kelenting Kuning realized that the young man from Ande-Ande Lumut was Prince Kusumayuda, the man of her dreams. The following is an example is direct speech which was then changed into indirect speech from the story of Ande-Ande Lumut. 1. Direct speech. Your Majesty, I have got news for you, said the court. Indirect speech. The court delivered good news for you. 2. Indirect speech. Hai Kelenting Kuning, do you want to join the competition too? Asked Kelenting Abang. Indirect speech. Kelenting Abang asked Kelenting Kuning if she went to join the competition too. 3. Direct speech. You must kiss me before I take you across the river, said Yuyu Kangkang. Indirect speech. Yuyu Kangkang said that they must kiss her before she takes them across the river. 4. Direct speech. I will not kiss Yuyu Kangkang because I want to protect my honor, said Kelenting Kuning. Indirect speech. Kelenting Kuning said that the wolf not kiss Yuyu Kangkang because he wanted to protect her honor. 5. Direct speech. I chose this girl as my queen, said the prince. Indirect speech. The prince said that he chose the girl as his queen. That's my explanation about direct speech and indirect speech and examples in the story Ande-Ande Lumut. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.